said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas say that I'm cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt, and now I'm be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me, oh. I need to hear some more rapping, I'm just not impressed by your cash and your jewelry, oh.
So good afternoon everyone, 93Rider here, welcome back to my channel once again. तो जो मेरे व्यूवर्स हैं वो सोच रहे होंगे कि आज वेयर इज़ माई अपाचे 180। सो एक्चुअली वो बाइक मैंने सर्विस सेंटर में दी है उसकी हेडलाइट चेंज करवाने के लिए। एक्चुअली उसकी बीम में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ गई थी। जो बीम को सेट करने वाला स्क्रू होता है तो उसके सारे जो थ्रेड्स थे जिसको चूड़ियाँ भी बोलते हैं वो सारे ख़राब हो गए, तो इसलिए बीम ऐसे हिल रही थी। तो उसका सिर्फ एक ही सोल्यूशन था, वो था हेडलाइट को चेंज करना। सो उसे चेंज करने के लिए मैंने सर्विस सेंटर में दी थी बाइक कल। आई वॉज सपोज टू गेट माई बाइक टुडे, बट व्हेन आई कॉल देम दे आस्क्ड जो उनके पास एक पीस पड़ा था लाइट का, उसमें कुछ तो दिक्कत है, उसका ग्लास वगैरह उतना क्लियर नहीं है, तो वो और ऑर्डर करके उसको लगाएंगे। सो दोज हु आर न्यू टू माय चैनल एंड केम फॉर द स्पेसिफिक रीजन फॉर विच आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो, आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वेरी सून। यस, दिस इज द टैंक बैग विच आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट, बट let us reach some beautiful or empty space where we could talk about it. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is the Bajaj Platina. This belongs to my dad. So मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन था नहीं और कोई बाइक चलाने के लिए, तो मैंने ये बाइक चलाने के लिए सोचा। वैसे भी it's been more than 2 weeks I made any vlog, and the reason is because due to the office I don't really get enough time to make any vlogs. शाम को 7 बजे ऑफिस ख़त्म होता है, जब तक घर जाते हैं तब तक सूर्य ढल चुका होता है, लाइट चली जाती है। सो उसमें व्लॉग बनाने में उतना मज़ा नहीं आता, तो मैं लेज़ी हो जाता हूँ। सुबह सुबह क्या होता है कि आज तो चलो मौसम अच्छा है, लेकिन यूजुअली सुबह 11 बजे तक बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी और धूप होती है, तो उस टाइम पे पहले व्लॉग बनाने के लिए निकलूँ, उसके बाद घर पे आके रेडी हूँ ऑफिस के लिए। सो दैट इज़ रियली मैसी। तो आज संडे है, थोड़ा के आज मिस नहीं करूँगा, आज तो व्लॉग बनाऊँगा ही। सो विदाउट एनी वेटिंग, लेट्स गेट टू द बैग। All right, let's park it over here. So yeah, we have this tiny, what is used to call saddle bag or something. Yeah, my dad has it, even that bike has it, you know. We are not less than tigers. All right, so let's quickly talk about this bag. Actually, this is the tank bag by Leopard Luggages. I just recently bought it for my trip, and what that trip is you will get to know about that in the next video. So let's remove it. So this is a usually magnetic tank bag. It has the 5 magnets right over here. This is very great for the motorcycle which has the metallic tank, but if you don't have the metallic tank, you have the fiber one. You don't need to worry because you get the strap which sticks into this, and you can mount your bag on your motorcycle. If you talk about the capacity, it is of about 32 liters. And if you talk about this pockets, this is just one pocket where I keep this kind of stuff like memory cards or something, and this is for your phone, and this is the side pocket, and इसमें I still have kept this plastic जिसमें ये bag आया था, and this is another pocket, kind of big one. This is also one of the packaging bag. I just kept it like this because I'm so lazy to throw them out. And here comes the main compartment of this bag. As we open it, this is green from inside. It used to be red, but this was made for some special customer who get it made for his Kawasaki that used to have the green color, but उसने अभी receive नहीं किया था, तो they shipped this bag to me. It has just this tiny pocket kind of thing. I don't know if it's called pocket or what. So if you take it out, these are the papers of my bike which I kept in it, and this is the whole thing, and it has this strap. This is stretchable so that you can put something under it so that it won't rattle around. So I keep my papers below it, and this is the what is this? What it used to call gorilla pod. This is the gorilla pod. It belongs to my friend. It is about 1 foot long, and you can easily keep it inside. This is the suction mount which I recently bought, so I just kept it like this. So these are just about the compartments. So if you talk about its material is really good. Fabric which they have used is like really good. Even the fabric inside is also kind of good quality. Zippers are also of decent quality. They could have been a little better. And these plastics seems of good quality. They're not gonna break easily. Unfortunately, I don't really have the straps to show. I forgot to carry them. And there is one more option in this bag, which is that you can remove these magnets just like this by opening this zipper, and it will be completely removed, and what it becomes is like your backpack. You just need to stick these straps into these and you will be ready to wear this bag as a backpack. But there is a flaw in this. The flaw is, if you have the magnetic tank and you are using these magnets to stick your tank back to your motorcycle, you would have problem, because like if you have the 15 minutes walk, it would be so difficult for you to remove this and then again wearing this as a backpack, and then you will coming back, you will putting this again. So although ऐसा लगता है कि ये कुछ ज़्यादा काम नहीं है करने के लिए, but when you are on a ride, ये जो 5 मिनट आप spend करोगे, that costs a lot. So Leopard Luggages, if you can do something to make it better, please do it, so that बैग उतारने के बाद हम उसके साथ ही इसको पहन सकें. उसमें ऑप्शन ये होना चाहिए, बिकॉज इसको उतारना, जिपर खोल के उसके बाद फिर से इसको डालना, दैट इज़ रियली काइंड ऑफ spending some extra time on this task. Like when you're on a ride with your buddies, they will be ready to move on, they would have started the engine, and you will be busy on putting these magnets back onto your bag. So that is little annoying. I wish if you guys could make it okay. And if I tell you, Leopard Luggages, this zipper which connects magnet to the bag isn't of very good quality. It will be so good if you make it more better, because इस zipper की quality बाकी zipper से मैच नहीं करती, जो कि यहाँ पर है. और उसके साथ ही हमें मिलता है एक waterproof cover जो कि रहता है यहाँ पे इसके नीचे. आई डोंट थिंक इसको निकालने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज इसको निकालेंगे, खोलेंगे और इसके ऊपर पूरा डल जाएगा, तो आपका बैग बन जाएगा वाटरप्रूफ. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ़ यू नीड लिटिल सम एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस, यू कैन एक्सपेंड दिस बैग बाय ओपनिंग दिस जिपर, so it will give you more plenty of space to put some of extra clothes. And one thing which the Leopard Luggages could do is, let me show you. If you open the bag, if you open the side, there is no cushioning at all, not on this side, and not even over here, and not even over here. So if you are putting your camera inside it and unfortunately this bag falls, it's probably gonna wreck your camera. So these uncle guys can GoPro, stop recording. I just started using the phone because those uncle came and started staring at me that what the hell I'm doing. So I told them that I'm making vlog for my YouTube channel. What I was saying is that इसमें अगर थोड़ी बहुत कुशनिंग आप चारों साइड में लगा दोगे, so that would be so better. उससे थोड़ा सा प्राइस हाइक होगा, but you can raise it by 300 or 400 rupees by adding those cushioning. उससे क्या होगा कि ये जो जैसे क्रैम्प हो रहा है जैसे ऐसे दोनों साइड से, तो उस कुशनिंग से ये बिल्कुल ऐसा सीधा खड़ा रहेगा. It will look much better. It will provide protection to the goods which you are carrying in it. So that will be overall good. So this bag does cost around 2300 rupees. Delivery charges अलग से लगेंगे, so it depends upon the area in which you are living. So if I give you the side view, it looks like this. It completely grabs your tank. So this was all about this Leopard Luggages bag. If you have any questions, still I missed something, just write down in the comment section below. I will answer them right away, or follow me on the Instagram. The Instagram handle is 93Rider. It will be written on the screen. Go and follow me over there and stay updated with me. So don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And what else? 4 दिन की जिंदगी है, हंस खेल के जी लो, गुस्सा मत करो, नफरत मत करो, और क्या. This was all about this video. See ya in the next vlog.
Ain't nobody ever show me love when I was coming up. I had to double up and tell these niggas fucking love before they ride. And they don't really want a nigga love. I hit him with the uppercut. I had him motherfucking